Just as roads come in different sizes and types for different vehicles and speeds, Ethernet cables come in various categories and builds, each suited for specific needs. An Ethernet cable is a type of network cable designed specifically for connecting devices within a local area network, LAN. It allows data to travel quickly and reliably between devices like your computer and your Wi-Fi router. The key differences between Ethernet cable types can be understood with a simple analogy. Think of Ethernet cables like different grades of highways. For example, Cat5 cables are comparable to a 2-lane road, suitable for older networks with maximum speeds of 100 megabits per second. Cat5e cables are like a reliable 4-lane road, supporting speeds up to 1000 megabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and ideal for most home and office needs. Cat6 cables can be compared to a 6-lane highway, allowing more data, or cars, to travel faster and with less interference, making them great for high-speed use in gaming. Cat6a and above, such as Cat7 or Cat8, are like expressways or superhighways, built for very high speeds and heavy traffic, which is useful in large businesses or data centers. Physically, there are differences as well. Cat6 cables are thicker than Cat5e, much like a wider road that can handle more cars side by side. Inside the cable, the wires are twisted together, and Cat6 cables have more twists per inch, which helps prevent traffic jams or interference between the wires. Higher categories may also have extra shielding, similar to guardrails, to protect data from accidents or electrical interference. There are also special types of Ethernet cables, such as straight-through and crossover cables. A straight-through cable can be thought of as a regular road where traffic flows in the same direction on both sides. This type is used to connect different kinds of devices, like a computer to a router. On the other hand, a crossover cable is like a road where the lanes switch direction at one end, and it is used to connect similar devices directly, such as two computers or two switches. When choosing the right cable, consider your needs. For home internet, Cat5e or Cat6 is usually enough, much like choosing a 4 or 6-lane road for city driving. For gaming or streaming, Cat6 is better, as it reduces traffic jams and supports faster speeds. For future-proofing or business use, Cat6a or higher is ideal, similar to building an expressway for anticipated heavy traffic. To recap with a simple analogy, Ethernet cables are roads for your data. A higher category means a wider, faster, and safer road. Choose the road or cable that fits your traffic, data, needs now and in the future. With this understanding, you can pick the right Ethernet cable for your needs, ensuring smooth and speedy data traffic in your network.